Have you ever stared at a blank PowerPoint slide, totally stuck, knowing you need to create a presentation but not knowing where to start? You're not alone. Most people know of PowerPoint, but very few know how to use it effectively to create presentations that are actually engaging, professional, and get results. What if, in just 1 week, you could go from that daunting blank screen to confidently building a polished, impressive deck from scratch? A presentation that doesn't just share information, but tells a story, holds attention, and makes you look like a pro. Welcome to Microsoft PowerPoint, from blank slide to polished deck in 7 days. This isn't just a software tutorial. It's your step-by-step blueprint. We'll start with the absolute basics and build your skills day by day. You'll master not just where the buttons are, but the why behind great design. You'll learn how to structure your story, use visuals powerfully, and even add smart animations that enhance your message without the overwhelm. Stop dreading your next presentation. In 7 days, you'll have the skills, the confidence, and a complete deck ready to go. Let's build it together. Enroll now. And let's turn that first blank slide into your best presentation yet.